Hi, friends. I'm very excited and happy to introduce you to a new series called Satvik Treat Series. Hope you are also very happy. So, whenever you are very happy or very too excited as you bought a new house, new car, and a promotion in your office, so what you think of, first thing comes to your mind is to give a treat to your friends and relatives. But what about treating yourself? Because your own effort, your own hard work, you got this promotion. So, what do you treat your body with? Ice cream, a burger, a samosa, or buying an expensive gift to yourself? No. Your body is not happy. Do you think body is happy? No. It's not happy. Might be your tongue is happy. For the cells to be happy, every what food you eat, your cell should enjoy. Every cells of the body, organs, tissues, the entire system has to enjoy, has to relish the food. What you should do? You should give sattvic food. The best gift you can give to your body is sattvic food and a Ayurvedic dinacharya. I'll tell you, your body will thank you for this. In this series, you'll be learning what are sattvic foods and which items to exclude from your diet. How to cook the food with love and affection. How long you have to cook so that the nutrients in the ingredients is not lost. And what are the meal timings? What are the best combination of vegetables? And what are the worst combination you should not eat, which causes the inflammation, which causes the some worst combination makes your body, puts your body into toxic condition. And most important thing is we will learn to design our own diet plan according to your body type. That is our energy pattern, our body composition, which is inherited from our parents. It might be, see in English, there's no word exactly which explains this concept. So I have to use the Sanskrit words only. That is, these energy patterns are Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. So we need to take food or consume food according to our body type. Okay, that you'll be learning. That's the most important thing. First, you need to analyze what is your body type, whether you are Vata type or Pitta or Kapha or Vata Pitta, Pitta Kapha. Those combine that you need to understand. Once you understand, life becomes very easy. God has given all these facilities to us to enjoy every moment, to relish, to enjoy, not to suffer, not to suffer with pain, not to suffer with the pain like shoulder pain, back pain, lower back pain, knee pain. We need to live every moment. We have to live every moment we have to live, enjoy every moment and be cheerful and spread the happiness to everybody. When you can spread your happiness to everybody and be happy is only you are healthy. That happens only you are healthy. To be healthy, let's change our lifestyle and diet. And see, Sattvic diet is totally alkaline diet. As I told you earlier, see, your body is 70% alkaline and 30% acidic. See, blood is alkaline and stomach will be acidic. because it needs to digest. pH of a body should be between 7.3 to 7.4. Approximate between that portion it has to be. pH is nothing but hydrogen ion concentration that we have studied in our school chemistry. Hope you have not forgotten. So to be healthy, we need to maintain the acid-alkali balance. Any acid-alkali imbalances leads to all physical disease. See, you should know that when body is acidic, you will suffer from chronic illness. But one thing you should be happy about your body is body has a natural tendency to be alkaline. See what it does when the body is becoming acidic. The body has I told you it's a natural tendency. It absorbs, it snatches the calcium from the soft tissues, from the bones, just to maintain the body blood alkaline. And also magnesium will deplete, will reduce. This leads to heart problems, muscle joint pain, everything it leads to. So it's a imperative that we need to maintain acid alkali balance and keep the diet to be alkaline. That is, consume more vegetables and less of grain, cereals. So this is what we are going to make a diet plan, and we'll follow this diet plan for 3 months, and I'll tell you, you'll see the amazing difference, a miracle happening to your body. I'll tell you, I can guarantee you that after 3 months, you will not go for this abnormal food pattern. So let's follow this Sattvic alkaline diet and lead a cheerful life. And in next episode, we'll learn how to find a body type and accordingly design our food plan. Okay? Thank you. If you like this video, please share with your friends and relatives and subscribe to get notified for the next upcoming video.